So today I'll be showing you another way to do a building facade based on a photo, this time in 3ds Max. So I'm starting off just by creating a box just to kind of simulate a building that you might want to potentially put this facade on, and I'm selecting the displace modifier. Now before applying the image I want, I'm going to increase the amount of segments in the box. This will help improve the accuracy of the facade once I apply the bitmap to the displace modifier. Just setting it to 100 segments in the length, width, and height. I think this will be a good, accurate amount of segments. Now I'm just choosing the image I want from my files. In this case, using the face of George Swinburne. Now I'm just using the strength to apply that displacement, and I'm choosing the Y alignment just to use the face that I want. Here I'm just playing around with the width and length a little bit. And then changing the strength of displacement once again. I personally prefer to have it kind of stick out a little bit, so I'm using a negative strength. Now I'm just playing around with the tiling options. And you can kind of use the U and V tiles to get multiple of the same face onto your image, just increasing the length a little bit. Then I kind of decide to get 2 on there. You could use more or less depending on your preferences. That's essentially how you can get a 3D form of a face or image and apply it to a building.